importance. Food is what we eat daily in our breakfast, lunch or dinner. It is a substance which we eat daily and provides energy to us. What is the importance of food? The importance of food is it helps us to perform our daily activities like playing, learning, working, etc. It provides energy to our body, as we have already mentioned in the definition of food. It helps in growth and development of our body. It keeps us healthy. Next is food and nutrients. Food is the basic source of nutrients. The nutrition which we get from food are called nutrients. Nutrients help us in growth and maintenance of our body. They provide us energy for daily activities. They provide us immunity and protection from various infections and germs. There are different nutrients which we take in our diet, such as carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, proteins, etc. Food ingredients. We know single food does not provide all the nutrients, so we mix all the food items to prepare a dish. For example, dal is a famous Indian food dish which is a mixture of pulses, water, salt, spices and oil. The materials required to prepare a particular dish is called ingredient. We have several examples, like for preparation of sambar we required vegetables, tamarind root, lentils, etc. For kheer we need rice, milk, sugar, dry fruits. For the preparation of chapati we need wheat flour, water, etc. Now the next topic is variety of food. As we have already discussed, we have variety of foods in our diet. So we have few questions. So can you answer these questions? What will you eat today in food? If someone asks me what will I eat in food today, then I will answer dal and rice. Next one is, what did you eat yesterday and was it the same food you will eat today? The answer is no, because no one eats the same food daily. Third one is, did your friend eat the same food which you eat? The answer is no. No one eats the same food daily. From the above three questions, we can conclude that we have different kinds of food. Available with us is what we call variety of food. We eat different varieties of foods in our daily life, and our food preferences depend on many factors, like it depends upon the time of the day. In breakfast, we generally prefer poha, sandwich, bread jam, boiled egg, omelette, etc. Whereas in lunch or dinner, we prefer parathas, roti sabzi, dal rice, chicken, etc. If we talk about morning or evening, we prefer to have tea with some snacks. You can see in the pictures we have breakfast preferences as well as lunch or dinner preferences. We also have seasonal food preferences. Food preferences also varies from season to season. Like in summer, we prefer to have refreshing fruit juices, ice creams, coconut water, leafy vegetables, etc. Whereas in winter, we used to have tea, coffee, soup, sarson ka saag, gajar ka halwa and garma garam jalebis. There is one more important factor which decides our food preferences, that is regional differences and state to state differences. For example, South Indian girl or boy in our class may prefer idli, dosa, sambar, vada, etc. Whereas a Punjabi boy or girl in our class can enjoy chole bhature, rajma chawal, lassi, parathas, etc. So we can say that there is a lot of food variation eaten in different regions of India. Now the turn for assignments. You have been given 3 assignments, so you can answer it easily. First one is, list 5 food items which we eat during summer season. You have to list all the 5 items which you used to eat in summer seasons. Next one is, what are the ingredients of cooked rice? Means, what are the raw materials you are using while cooking the rice? Next is, name 3 states along with the food eaten there. So, our chapter is finished. I hope you all have understood this chapter and all the topics. Thank you.